Welcome to Tech Bridges. I'm Chuck from the customer service team. Today, we're taking a brief dive into navigating our in-software help section. Ever felt a bit lost within our software? That's natural. But our help section is your built-in guide. First things first, you'll see that our help section is neatly categorized. Whether you're trying to troubleshoot an issue, understand a specific feature, or get started with a tutorial, it's all right here. If you need something specific, just type in keywords or phrases into the search bar. For instance, if you're trying to understand how to integrate third-party tools, voila! A list of relevant articles and tutorials pop up. Each article comes with detailed explanations, often accompanied by visuals. It's like having a tech buddy explain things step by step. We also have video tutorials for those who prefer visual learning. And if you ever need to clarify something further, our FAQ or direct support options are just a click away. If you find something helpful or think an article can be improved, please give us feedback. We're always striving to make your experience smoother. Now, armed with this knowledge, you're all set to make the most out of our software. Remember, our help section is there for you 24/7. Happy navigating and take care.